is Belsem. I'm the student pharmacist here today.
I really want to be the pharmacist that sees the patient and talks to the patient personally. I like being able to talk to somebody and then hopefully make them feel better. So in a clinic, I can have my own patients. I give them my own recommendations, my own prescriptions. Another one of my passions is I like to make things. I've always been in the kitchen cooking, making new things. So I also enjoy compound pharmacy as well as just clinical pharmacy.
The actual PharmD program is 4 years in length. So those first 2 years start with some of the foundational sciences that get you ready for all of the things from patient care activities to science to chemistry. And then in the third year of the program, you move down to our facility in Grand Rapids, which is located on the Medical Mile, continuing to integrate that knowledge to prepare you then for the fourth year of the program, which is all advanced pharmacy practice experiences, and those are located throughout the state of Michigan at our health systems and our various communities that we serve.
It's crazy to say I don't have any more studying test-wise. I don't have a bunch of tests to study for, so it's actual real life. You're connecting the dots per patient, and it's not a yes or no. It's just total gray, and you have to be comfortable with the gray.
One of the things that we pride ourselves on is that our pharmacists can go anywhere and do anything in the practice of pharmacy. So you'll see a lot of Ferris pharmacists in your local community. We also have students who go on to postgraduate training and end up in specialty roles in health systems such as in infectious disease or in ambulatory care practice. And we also see pharmacists in non-traditional roles from Ferris such as managed care. I think students who come to Ferris get the opportunity to really develop strong relationships not only with their classmates but as well with their faculty.
The fact that when I'm in this school, I feel like I'm at home. Even with teachers, when class is done, I'd go to them after lecture and be like, I have a quick thing, or they'll come up to me and be like, oh, how did that one thing go, or how are you with this? And they're very personable, so I do appreciate the non-formality of it. And it was really nice. I felt like this was more of a home than a school.